Want to know how to quickly turn the two people on the left of the video into the couple photo on the right? In this episode, we'll walk you through, step by step, how to use Google Gemini to generate high-quality couple photos perfect for social media cover images, wedding inspiration visuals, and creative portraits. All prompts have been posted in the comments, just copy and use them. First, open Google and search for Gemini. At the very top of the results you can see Google Gemini. Click to enter. Then copy the prompt from the comments section into the chat box, and drag the two-person photo you prepared into the chat box. Press the Enter key to generate. Sometimes the final results look great, but the background can occasionally be cluttered or not clean. We can use Pixpretty Online to remove the background for free, and then replace it with another background. The 5 prompts and the free one-click background removal link are all in the comments. Copy them into Gemini to quickly get premium-looking shots. See you in the next video.